In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop online using Shopee. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or a complete beginner, this guide will make your shopping experience smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started with the first step. Simply open your web browser and head over to the Shopee website. This is your go-to destination for an array of products ranging from electronics and fashion to home and living essentials. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to explore the different categories, or if you have a specific item in mind, use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you're looking for. Now let's move on to the exciting part, browsing and selecting a product. As you scroll through the results, you'll notice that each product has a thorough description, price, and ratings from other buyers. These ratings and reviews are incredibly helpful when selecting the best product for your needs. Once you've found an item you like, click on it for more details. You'll see options to either buy now or add to cart. If you're planning on purchasing just this one item, the buy now option is convenient and leads you straight to the checkout. However, if you intend to continue shopping, use add to cart. This allows you to keep shopping and compile a list of items to purchase all at once. So, assuming you've added everything you want to your cart, let's head over to the checkout page. Here, you can review your selected items, make sure you haven't left anything behind, and confirm the quantities. It's also important to double-check that the total price matches your budget. When you're ready, the next step involves choosing your preferred payment method. Shopee usually offers a variety of options, including credit or debit card payments, bank transfers, or even cash on delivery, depending on your location and preference. Select the option that works best for you. Before you finalize your order, ensure that the delivery address is correct. This step cannot be stressed enough because entering the wrong address could cause delays or even the loss of your package. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Place Order. This will confirm your purchase and you'll likely receive a confirmation email or notification with the details of your transaction. And just like that, you're done. Now all that's left is for the item to be delivered to your doorstep, which usually happens within the time frame mentioned during checkout. In the meantime, you can track your order status right on the Shopee platform. Shopping online has never been easier or more efficient, and with these steps, you're well equipped for a great shopping experience. Thank you for following along, and happy shopping.